At dawn, the journey of a single diaper begins deep inside a carefully managed forest. Skilled crews prepare to harvest pulpwood with precision, not haste. Every tree selected here is tracked, planned, and responsibly sourced. Harvesting is controlled engineering, not destruction. Each trunk is shaped for maximum fiber efficiency. Data guides every cut long before the factory floor. Uniform stacks prepare pulpwood for long-distance travel. Even the forest floor feels the scale of modern supply chains. Every load is balanced, secured, and documented. Safety here protects workers long before products reach families. Raw materials leave the forest, carrying potential forward. This path connects nature to global manufacturing. Renewal begins the moment harvesting ends. From forest to factory, the transformation has officially begun. Once secured, raw material enters the logistics bloodstream. From raw terrain to regulated infrastructure, transport adapts instantly. Scale emerges when individual loads move as one system. Human judgment remains central to automated supply chains. Infrastructure quietly shapes the rhythm of movement. Stability is engineered long before speed is allowed. Distance compresses when motion is constant. Raw materials now approach their point of transformation. This facility transforms raw materials into care used by millions of families worldwide. Every arrival is logged before unloading begins. Access marks the shift from logistics to processing. Inside the facility, flow replaces speed. Transport ends here, preparing raw material for its first transformation. This is where global-scale care begins its transformation. Entry here follows precision, not improvisation. At the intake yard, raw materials meet structure, order, and industrial discipline. Familiar hands guide materials through every stage. Gravity and engineering work in quiet cooperation. The last traces of transport fall away here. Movement now belongs to the factory. From this point forward, material flow is fully controlled by the plant. Crossing this boundary marks the true beginning of manufacturing. Scale becomes visible when systems begin to converge. Every batch is identified before a single process begins. Human oversight keeps automated systems accountable. Flow is adjusted before transformation begins. With intake complete, preparation for purification begins. Cleaning begins with controlled mechanical separation. Friction replaces cutting to preserve fiber integrity. Waste streams are removed before they contaminate production. Water finishes what mechanics begin. Efficiency depends on closed-loop systems. Vision systems verify cleanliness in real time. Foreign materials are removed before damage can occur. Consistency begins long before processing. Human verification reinforces automated trust. Streams converge into a single purpose. Final preparation seals cleanliness. With impurities removed, true transformation can begin. Mechanical scrubbing removes the wood's outer skin with precision. Size reduction begins the controlled release of fiber. Precision cutting protects fiber structure from damage. Size control stabilizes downstream chemistry. Fiber is prepared, not forced. Uniform chips ensure predictable processing. Mechanical energy unlocks cellulose bonds. Data ensures every batch meets care standards. Uniformity is built at scale. Softness begins with balance. Core material is now ready for precision shaping. From raw fiber to engineered care, the transformation continues. Flow replaces solids as the process evolves. This is the foundation of softness and strength. Fiber begins its transition from liquid to structure. Controlled removal of water defines sheet integrity. Pressure aligns fibers for strength and softness. Heat stabilizes structure without compromising comfort. Softness is engineered at the microscopic level. Precision ensures comfort remains consistent. Shape transforms material into function. Absorbency is engineered particle by particle. Strength is added without stiffness. Data verifies performance before assembly continues. Experience validates automation. The heart of the product moves forward. From here on, assembly demands absolute cleanliness. The foundation of protection is now complete. Automation begins where precision becomes mandatory. Robots move with repeatability humans cannot sustain. Every layer begins as controlled motion. Comfort is layered, not added later. Energy replaces glue where softness matters. Flexibility is engineered under control. Fit is shaped before final form appears. Machines now see what eyes cannot. Automation is governed by constant feedback. Cleanliness is maintained even at speed. Complexity disappears when systems work together. Human oversight anchors automated speed. At full automation, consistency becomes unstoppable. Finishing begins with precision cuts, not correction. Waste is removed the moment it appears. Closure systems are placed to perform, not distract. Flexibility is verified before it reaches families. Identity and traceability are printed at speed. Permanence is applied without heat damage. Shape defines comfort before use. Final judgment happens in milliseconds. Safety checks never end early. Perfection means the system stays silent. Human presence reinforces automated trust. Order prepares products for final containment. Completion approaches its final stage. Precision finishes what engineering began. Production pauses here, but scrutiny begins. Every dimension is verified against exact standards. Performance is tested, not assumed. Absorbency is proven under controlled conditions. Protection is validated under stress. Strength is measured, not guessed. Quality is confirmed down to the smallest detail. Safety standards are enforced without compromise. Every result is tied to its origin. Accountability completes the quality loop. Only verified products move forward. When quality is assured, the product earns its place with families. Quality now moves toward protection and presentation. Packaging preserves care long after production ends. Design speaks before the product is opened. Individual care becomes scalable supply. Order prepares products for movement. Storage bridges production and demand. Logistics translate care into availability. The factory's role nears completion. Distribution begins where manufacturing ends. Care reaches families where they choose to shop. Every step leads to moments that matter. And this is how modern factories produce Pampers from start to finish.